Get ready for the dictation. 10 seconds, 5 seconds, start.
Ladies and gentlemen, I am happy to be present at the 10th Convention of Non-Resident Indians and address you this morning. I am very pleased to meet you all personally since this convention is now held after a gap of 4 years. I would like to wish you a happy and productive new year. I am pleased to welcome the chief guest for this year's convention. It is well known that he has roots in our country. His presence has made this event special. I also welcome your president, who is going to be the chief guest for next year. On this occasion, I would like to state that Indians abroad have become an important force in the global system. It has to be borne in mind that they have become a major community in all parts of the world. It may not be out of place if I say that they have shown great dedication and hard work. With these qualities, they have achieved excellence in all walks of life. I would like to place on record that your achievements give us immense pride. In this connection, I would like to state that this year's awards reflect the government's recognition of Indians abroad for their contribution to society. These awards are significant as they show our appreciation of your efforts to make India proud. I would like to congratulate this year's winners and hope that this would encourage you to reach great heights in future. Over the last 2 decades, this convention has enabled engagement between the people of India and the Indians living abroad. As you are aware, this convention is held on the 9th of January every year to mark the return of Gandhiji from Africa. This day also marks the contribution of the overseas Indian community towards the country's development. Ladies and gentlemen, as you are aware, the nation is celebrating the completion of 75 years of independence. These celebrations are dedicated to those who have played a key role in our progress. At the same time, it also recognizes those who have helped to set up a self-reliant India. In my opinion, there is no better time to honor the efforts made by the Indians abroad. It has to be borne in mind that this year's theme also reflects our desire to make you a partner in the achievement of national goals. In recent years, the government has undertaken many steps for your benefit. I would like to bring to your kind attention the fact that these would enable you to help in building a strong nation. On this occasion, I would also like to bring to your notice the fact that the online services for Indians living abroad have been improved. At the same time, for overseas Indians, the visa has now been made lifelong. I would like to assure you that we are taking steps to enable safe migration of our youth to other countries for employment. In the same manner, efforts have been made to redress their problems online. I hope and trust that these efforts would be useful for Indian nationals outside, especially women and workers. On this occasion, I would also like to recall the steps taken by the government to bring Indians back safely during the recent war in Europe. Brothers and sisters, I would like to point out that we are facing tough times now. Due to certain developments in other parts of the world, we have seen crisis in the health and economic sectors. Despite the fact that we faced a lot of challenges, our country has held its position high among the nations of the world. I would like to state that this can be seen in our relations with major countries of the world. I am glad to say that this year our country has been given the presidency of the group of 20 nations. I find that this is a great chance to enable just and equal growth in all parts of the world. In the next few years, India is to march on a journey of hard work and sacrifice. I would like to assure you that we would be world leaders in the years to come. I would like to see that each one of you present here should make your contribution in this regard so that we grow as early as possible. With these words, I would like to conclude my speech, thanking you all once again for this opportunity.